Good morning. It's a miracle week. What time is it? It's the trading week, Sunday, 8th of May. Every time when it's Sunday, you get excited. Why? Because the market is about to be opened and there's going to be a lot of moves that's going to come for you to make some money. So this is what gets me up every night and every Sunday, because then we are going to enter a new trading week around 10 p.m. Eastern time. So the exciting news is do your due diligence, and remember, if somebody is pretending to be me asking you to manage your account for you or mining Bitcoin, they will triple your money. That is absolutely a scam. I never mined Bitcoin in my life, and I will never do it. And even if I did, I'm not gonna inbox you on any social media platform and tell you to bring me $500 or $2,000 or pounds, and I'm going to triple or quadruple that in a week for you. Remember, scamming is on a very high level and most of it look legitimate. So do your due diligence and don't be fooled by all these traps and lose your money to some stupid people. Okay, even people are using aids donating to war crimes. People have set up fake websites that are scamming people donating hundreds of thousands of dollars in, thinking that they are giving it to war crime victims or people who has been displaced as a result of war, and this money is ended up in the hand of scammers. So please, let us be wise and be careful. And I'm going to put down the free Telegram group that you can join and get one free setup each week. Okay, and the VIP group, remember, is going to be 2 to 3 trades per week. If there is no trades, that means there is no setup. So don't be asking when I'm going to get trade, because we follow through straight rules. So the Telegram link for the free one setup a week is there. Try to subscribe, like the videos, and share if you value, so that my content can get more traction. We're going to talk about the previous trades that I was riding. That is the pound Aussie, pound Aussie, pound New Zealand, and New Zealand Aussie. So I'll bring those trades here and I will explain where I got out and the new trades that I took and the impact when Britain hiked their interest rate. What impact did it have on our trade? So I'm going to do that. I think we have Euro New Zealand is here, then the pound Aussie is here. Pound Aussie is here. I didn't take pound card trades, so, and this is a new trade that I took also, so I'll bring it and I'll let you see. So let's go on and let me show you. Let's start with the pound Aussie. So great. So this is the time frame. We can use the daily because so the pound Aussie trades that, as I told you guys the other time, this is where the entry was. Okay, so we rode the trade until somewhere here and we got out, and this is when the interest rate came and it got down. So this is where the interest rate came. I didn't take the sell trade, so I'll look to see this week what will get to me, then we can go. So remember, patience and discipline your emotions is what will give you money in the market. So we can look at this on the 4-hour time frame to see. So you can see the impact of the British interest rate, hiking the interest to 1%. So that is straight boom downtrend. So we got out with about 800 pips before the move came, and this is the Euro New Zealand trade that we were in as well. So as I explained before the other video, this was where our entry was, because everything was aligned in perfect with our strategy, with my rule, and we got in, and we are still in this trade. I haven't gotten out yet. My target is to target these levels and eventually these levels before I'll get out. So this trade we're still riding. And then we have the pound New Zealand trade that we took as well. The other time I was riding for long periods of time, so that was our exit position here. I got out from this trade about 750 pips as well then, because everything pound was selling off because of the interest rate decision. And previously, before the interest rate decision, I took a reversal trade also on the pound yen. Let me see, it's a 1 hour, so let me jump onto the 4-hour chart or the daily chart to show. Yeah, so we had a buy trade somewhere from here, and we rode all this trade through here before we got out. Luckily enough, because I always trade my trades, okay, so my stop loss has been moved to this level. Okay, so we had all this move, but I had my stop loss at this level. When I came home after the interest rate decision, I've been taking out about 200 profits. That's not bad. And I didn't catch this trade interest rates because I wasn't around. And then I was also a small sell in this. Okay, I'll show you this move here. Yes, so I entry was around here, stop loss was here, which hasn't been hit yet, but once the trade came down here, I moved my stop loss to somewhere here to trade. Yeah, so we came to the first target that I was expecting, but ultimately I'm expecting this market to drop here. So now that we've been taken out, I'll be looking for a new position to re-enter. And then I had another buy trade on this Euro USD. Okay, so this is a 1 hour trade. I want to jump onto the 4-hour trade that chart. So yeah, our entry was somewhere here. So we had a breakout and then consolidation, then another breakout, and the stop loss is somewhere here. So I'm not even bothering now, because I'm still going to stay in this trade and I'll see what is going to happen. Then we had some good trade on the US 30 as well. We had those breakouts coming, and that was really beautiful setup from both the shorter time frame and the longer time frame. So this is let me show on the higher time frame, about 1000 pip move right from here. Okay, right from this low, entry was here, stop loss was somewhere here, so we rode all these trades to here, and our trailing stop loss was moved right here. So we got taken out in here, and that was a beautiful sell trade that we could have taken, which we didn't. And we have the same for the US tech. You can see a very good breakout point from here, and then you can see the consolidation and the sell trade also came all right from there. So we had the buy, we never had the sell. Yeah, so people talking about the SL. Yes, I'm still in that, but remember, SL is not 1 month trial, it's a 90-day trial. So you finish the first stage, your account is reset, and you finish the second stage, the account is reset, and you finish the third stage. So if first 2 stages goes well, that's 60 days, that's where you're going to get funded. So just relax. Everything, once everything is done and I'm funded, I'll let you know what is happening. So the key thing which I have learned over the years is discipline and emotions, and never rushing into the market when you lose trades. Because when you lose, for instance, an entry here, and you jump in here, good, that is a very good entry, but the probability one day or so the market may come down. So what I have learned to do over the years is, if I am not around and I mix a trade, when I come in, I have to wait for a pullback to get into the trade again. I'm not jumping into the trade straight to get killed or to get slaughtered. You have to learn over the years. And if you haven't watched the video that I did about the ATR and how I use it, you should go and watch that video. It helps me to my stop loss, to use it more into my side so I can stay in the trade, and I'm not taken out by stop hunts of the market maker. Okay, so we had those trades there, and another good trade which I am in, which was the pound New Zealand USD. Okay, I got a really good trade here. I'll show you from the 4-hour because I'm taking the trade. Yes, so this is my buy entry somewhere here. After this consolidation, I caught this break, and my first take profit was here, which it hit, and now we have another down nice structure to bring us down to take out the lows from my original entry. So I'm going to wait now and see what's going to happen to this trade, whether I'm going to look for a new entry buy or I'm going to go in for sell. And you have the same, some good trades on the indices. So the market keeps on, especially the indices, it keeps selling off and see. So what I'll ask you is to be patient, believe in your own strategy, own your strategy, work on it, be patient, and discipline your emotions. I always say, if you're having a bad day, whether it's quarreling with your kids, with your wife, with your partner, with your girlfriend, at work, don't, because the market doesn't know you, and we are not the only people in the market. If you haven't watched my video about what really moved the markets, about the different participants of the market, then you should check the channel. I'll post it through the link, and you can watch that as well. There are a lot of people, most people think that they are the only people in the market. So when they place a sell trade, the market has to drop for them to make quick bucks and get out. Or when they trade, they place a buy trade, the market has to, straightly go down or go up for them to make a quick buck. No, that is why, as a trader, the key things that is going to make you money, that's going to make you financial free, is, okay, discipline your emotions and being patient, because the market will either drop or it will come down. And if you are patient enough and you follow a disciplined strategy and structure, you always end up winning, or your average win percentage is going to outweigh your losses, and that will put you among the top profit traders. So remember that and keep practicing, and don't make the mistake of never stop learning, because the market is not static. Okay, it's a very dynamic environment. Most people learn and they have one thing and they are winning trades, and they stop learning and they just come and boom boom and they go, and they don't prepare for the markets, and now they start losing and losing and losing, because the market doesn't have only one strategy or doesn't have only one condition. That's why you have to keep learning, you have to keep improving your own techniques. And if you also stop jumping around, because you see someone making big bucks and you want to go and see what he's doing, and you abandon your own strategy that's going to kill. It's good to learn, but learn and add it to improve your own strategy. Okay, that's how you're going to be successful. There is never or no wrong about taking a bit of risk in the market, but like Warren Buffett said, be fearful when the market is greedy and be greedy when the market is fearful. In other words, all he's telling us that if you want to invest in the stock market or currency market, you have to know when to bet big or when to be a little bit greedy, and you have to know when also not to be greedy. All this boils down to what I was talking to previously, saying we aren't the only person in the market. If I'm the only trader in the market, then I'm always going to make money. I don't even need to analyze because I'm the only one placing a buy or sell trade. So if I say buy, the market is going to go up. If I say sell, the market is going to go down. But the market is a very big ocean with different type of animals swimming in it. And if you're not careful, somebody is going to use you for either the breakfast, the lunch, or dinner, especially we retail traders, because we are the smallest of the group that is swimming in this ocean of the market or stock trading. So learn, be confident, love what you do. If you not love it, you're not going to be passionate about it, then I don't believe that this is for you. There are other things that you can try your hands on. So happy Mother's Day to every mother around there. Remember to subscribe, share, and like the videos and comment. And I'm going to put the free Telegram channel down. Okay, so if you want to join it, you can join for one free setup a week. Okay, if I don't put in any trade, it means I haven't seen anything that is meeting my condition. So voila, adios, hasta luego. I'll see you guys later. It's Cherio and Tara.